American-style BBQ Brisket Sub. Assemble this sub using slow-cooked beef brisket with American-style barbecue sauce, a ciabatta, beer-flavoured Dijon mustard, American-style barbecue slaw kit, and Monterey jack cheese slices for an easy meal ready in 30 minutes. Start by preheating the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Place the beef in an oven-proof casserole dish and cover with foil. Bake for 15 minutes. Remove the foil and baste. Return to the oven and bake for a further 10 minutes. Meanwhile, cut the ciabatta in half lengthways. Toast the ciabatta cut side down on a hot char grill for 1 to 2 minutes or until golden. Prepare the American barbecue slaw kit in a bowl following the directions on the packet. Shred the beef using 2 forks and stir in the sauce from the packet. Spread the cut side of the ciabatta with beer-flavoured Dijon mustard. Top the ciabatta base with slaw, beef mixture, and cheese. Enclose the filling with the ciabatta top. Cut the sub into 4 pieces to serve. This dinner is so easy to make using slow-cooked beef and some tasty extras. For the full recipe, see the description below. For more 5-ingredient dinners, head to our What's for Dinner playlist here.